Hello, everyone, and welcome to No Fear Cooking. I'm Magda, and I promise we are going to do from last episode, 2 weeks ago. We did a wonderful bread with a starter, and it's a quick starter, and I'm going to show you how I do it. It's a night before. This is the one right here. I started last night, and I want to show step by step. It's taking one step to do the quick starter, which is lovely into a bread, puts a lot of air. Look at this. It's really, really nice. I'll show you how I do it step by step again. It's taking 1 minute to do the starter, cover it with the plastic, and then use it next day. Like today, I use it for my breads. And for that, I need a cup of flour. You always wanted to do a little bit with the flour to make it fresher, just in case it's older, needs a little bit fluff. I need just 1 cup for the starter. 1 cup of flour goes in. I'm going to need a half a teaspoon, really tiny bit of yeast. And that was, my mom always said they have to do this because they didn't have enough yeast, and it can make it a little bit better for the bread. And since I use this cup, I'm going to put the water in here. This way it's a little bit less than a cup of water. This is like 3/4 of a cup of water. That goes away. So far, easy to make a starter. Sounded complicated, but it's not. You mix it for about a minute and then cover it. Leave it till next day, up to 24 hours. I never did the old style with sour bread. I don't know how to, because I just like it this way, but one day I might learn the other way too. So that's all it takes to make the starter. I'm covering and I'm going to put it away. If you need a bowl for tomorrow, this big bowl, you can take a smaller bowl like I did here. Last night I did this. Look how nice it's looking. And that's all it took. 1 minute to mix it. 1 minute. And again, I do like this Danish whisk, Again, Nikki and Keith was wonderful to show us in a class how to use that. And it's so easy and fun. So again, if you want to just put it in a smaller bowl, about maybe a bowl that you have it for 3 cups of liquid to go in, cover it, leave it here till next day. This is done. And I'm going to cover this just like this one. Look at this one, how good it looks. It's amazing. And all bubbly, and it's going to give a deep flavor. The bread is better if you are going to be patient with it. It's healthy. If you want to do it for economic reason, a bread, it's wonderful. If you want to do it just more healthy because you don't have all the extra ingredients in. And this is the step I did for the bread a second ago, just to show you how easy it is to incorporate it. And then please go to 2 weeks ago to the last video with the bread I did with Alexandra, with my grandniece here. She thought it's very easy to do a bread, because it is. She never did one before, which I'm surprised, Alexandra, with your grandmother being the best in making donuts. So you incorporate it in the other 3 cups of flour. Just watch the video and you'll see how easy. Sounded complicated, but it's not. So I'm not going to finish this one. I'll finish it after I'm going off, because I have to add 3 more cups of flour or so. And you will see the other video. This was just for the quick start. And look how much it's already incorporated in the other flour. 3 cups with 3 of flour and yeast and sugar and a little bit oil. I'm going to keep this on the side because it's done. And really, I wanted to concentrate on this today. Look how pretty it is. And it's going to give a very good, tasty bread. I'm going to cut it. I did this morning. I did 1 extra for me. And I made it in a long tray because it's so easy and so nice to just cut it this way. And I want to show you, look at this one. I want to show you how nice it is. And you know why? This is because we did this starter. Look at this. It's not just, but it's delicious. have some tomatoes that are grilled, have a little bit of chicken. Absolutely delicious. So look at this. You can do it. You can definitely, and it's not hard. I have to put in this. It's not hard to make it. Just try it once. If it's wrong, try it again. You're just going to lose about 7 cups of flour. That's all. And a little bit yeast. So with this, I'm going to say manja manja till next time. And I really have to appreciate my mom in Romania gave me this love for bread, for practicing more and more with the dough. So again, smells good. If for anything else, the kids will love it when you'll make it at home and they'll say, Mom smells so good. That's what my kids are saying. Mom smells so good. Alexandra, please try. You said you made one for your parents. This is a little bit warm still, but it's a wonderful loaf and it's I'm going to cut it though. This morning I just baked it. It just came from the oven about half an hour ago. And this is the bread. Look at this. Absolutely heavenly. So, thank you. Follow us. Say hello. Give me a like. Write a comment. And if you need any questions or more learning, please call us on the computer there. We'll see you. Bye-bye. Happy, healthy, terrific day.